Spiders keep coming back in that house. I'm going to tell you what you're doing wrong. Stay tuned. You're going to want to see this. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Craig here again, howtopest.com. You've got those spiders and they keep coming back. Well, this video is going to be for you. I'm going to tell you the do's and the don'ts and tell you exactly how to get that house spider free. So we are now, if you're watching this right now, we are in the middle of winter. You're not getting a lot of spider activity, at least most of you out there are not. Some of you may be, but we're trying to prep you for that spring and summer when things are going to explode. Baby season, and you're getting it all, especially those spiders that are freaking you out.
Chris, I'm scared to death. And we all are.
So when you do a spider treatment in a house, one of the common things that most people do, and they don't know any better, is that they use a film type of spray. Now, anything you buy over the counter, unless they've changed and I don't know about it, they are film sprays. Not only are they film sprays, they're repellent sprays. That repellent part of it may not be a big issue as far as spider control. That usually falls into play with a lot of the ants and the cockroach jobs that you're doing is where you really want that non-repellent. But let's talk about those films. When you do a film spray out there, it does exactly what you're hearing me say right now. It leaves a film. So whatever you spray, it just kind of leaves a layer out there. Now, when you're dealing with spiders and scorpions, those bigger type of bugs, they're walking like this. Like, think of my hand as the film. Think of the spider like this. When they walk over that film, they a lot of times do not get enough of that pesticide on their body. Now, don't get me wrong. A lot of films out there will take care of the spiders. But I'm talking to you out there right now that are having issues with those spiders and you can't figure out why, and you've done some of the things that I've just mentioned. Now, another thing that you can do that you shouldn't do that you may be doing is you are spraying a contact insecticide. It's leaving you no residual. So you've seen spiders in certain areas, you take that spray out and you spray it, and then a couple days later, you still have the spiders or the spider, the one you can't get rid of. It's a contact spray. What's a contact spray? It's exactly what it means. The word contact. It has to contact the bug. So if you don't see them, spray them, you don't kill them. There's nothing left over for when they come back. So that's going to be like your raids. You're just over the counter cans that you shake. Now, some of them will tell you they leave a residual. I wouldn't buy it. Get a professional grade product. And that's the ones I'm going to tell you about today. So we mentioned those two things. The third thing that people do is they have clutter everywhere. Now, if you're a clutter freak, you're a hoarder out there, if you don't want spiders, you're going to have to change. You're going to have to clean things up because you're leaving them places to hide. So if you got a bunch of blankets and pillows just shoved over in the corner of the living room, and every time you pull one out, you bring a spider with you to cover up and keep warm, that's on you. You're just giving them places to hang out. So you got to just clean those areas up. So now when you do spray, you take care of the spiders. And what are you going to spray with? My number one spider, get rid of them out of the house, get rid of them outside, is Onslaught FastCap. You pros out there will all vouch for me, at least you good ones. Onslaught FastCap is fantastic. It's what we all use when somebody calls us, and it's not general maintenance. It's, hey, I am dealing with a spider issue. Then we jump into our trucks and we grab, or the back of our trucks, vans, whatever it may be, and we grab that Onslaught FastCap. Where are you going to grab Onslaught FastCap? Howtopest.com. We got it for you. We got it in different sizes. Go over and get the one that suits your needs. Now, why is Onslaught FastCap better than a film that we just talked about earlier? Because Onslaught FastCap is in a micro encapsulated formula. What that means is that poison that would normally be in a film, it is now in a capsule. It is protected. So it's protected from elements, especially outside, the rain, the sun, and it adheres to surfaces. But what does it adhere to even better? That spider and its hairy legs, that scorpion and their legs. When they walk through that Onslaught and you have all these encapsulated encapsules, you don't see them. They're just there. They're grabbing to the surface you spray. They pick that up. When they go back and groom themselves, explosion. That's how that works. That microencapsulated formula explodes open and the poison is on them. That's why a microencapsulation works better than a film, especially for insects, like for bugs, whatever you want to call them, spiders and scorpions. It's just what you want to use, guys. I'm not saying, again, that a film spray, there's a lot of professional film sprays. Heck, Talstar P is a great spray. If somebody just has an occasional spider, I just go with that. But if you call me out and you're having a spider issue and you can't seem to get a grasp, a handle on it, then you want Onslaught FastCap. Now, is it specifically for spiders and scorpions? That's kind of what they made it for, but read the label. It kills dozens and dozens and dozens and is labeled for dozens and dozens and dozens of other insects. So it's not going to just take care of those spiders. It's going to wipe a lot of things out for you. Pretty much everything you're dealing with. Now, what kind of spiders? Black widow? Yes. Brown widow? Yes. You guys know the difference between the brown widow and the black widow besides the color? Let's say you just see the nest or the web and you see the eggs. Real simple way of doing it. The black widow eggs are a silky looking egg sac, and the brown widow eggs, they look like a landmine. They have little spikes all over the egg sacs. That's the difference in the two. Now let's get back to more spiders it kills. Hobo spiders. It kills your common house spiders. It will kill your brown recluse. I hear so many people out there going, nothing kills brown recluse spiders. Well, they are hard to deal with. I'll give you that. But if they come across Onslaught FastCap, it is going to wipe them out. So guys, Onslaught FastCap indoors and yes, outdoors. Now, if you have cobwebs or under areas that you're not cleaning, there's a lot of dust and debris like under cabinets, cupboards, or even under that dishwasher, you're going to need to take your broom or a cobweb brush and clean that up. You want that spray to penetrate back up in there and not get blocked by the debris out there. So that is as simple as it is for Onslaught FastCap. It's a beautiful product, and it is going to make those spiders go away where you're not going, I can't get rid of those spiders. They keep coming back. Onslaught's going to hold up. And how long, guys? I just mentioned hold up. Onslaught will hold up for 60 to 90 days. Indoors, I bet you get 90 days plus, unless you're hitting it with a mop or something like that. It's just going to hold up, guys. It is a fantastic product. Outdoors, you'll probably get 60. You could get 90 if you're under a patio cover or the weather's been perfect. You haven't got the real extreme heat beating on it or the rain washing it away. Sprinklers will eventually wash it away. But that's another great thing about microencapsulated formulas. They grab to the concrete a lot better and hold up than the films do. So get yourself that Onslaught FastCap, guys. You are going to be thrilled to death. I guarantee you're going to be spider free if you do it right, like we just said. You're going to put this out, spot, crack, and crevice areas. We didn't talk about that, but anywhere you're seeing those spiders, you don't really kind of need to just film it and lay it all over the place in the house. It's labeled for indoors. Stay off it till it's dry. Keep your kids, your pets away till it's dry. Once it's dry, it's perfectly safe. If you have fish tanks or birds, I would cover the bird cage, take it out of the house if you're going to start spraying around it. Fish tanks, I would cover them. I would turn the pump off just so you don't take that chance. You're down low. It's probably not going to happen, but better safe than sorry, right? Cover the fish tank, unplug the pump, let it dry, and then you can take it off. It's going to dry indoors in 30 minutes, maybe sooner, depending on how hot it is outside, where we're at in the weather, if it's winter versus summer. Outdoors, if it's hot, you know, almost immediately. So just things to be aware of. Have your PPE on, guys, your personal protective equipment. That's your gloves, your long sleeve, your long pants, shoes and socks. Protect yourself. It's a chemical. One more thing I want to touch on, guys, baits. Some people say, what about baits for spiders? There's not really many baits out there for spiders. Baits are great for animals that are in colonies, the ants, the cockroaches, because they're taking it back, they're sharing it with each other, and it's killing them off that way. Spiders are solitary arachnopods. Just go with it. They're spiders, okay? But they're solitary. And I'm probably going to be solitary if I keep talking like that. Nobody's going to want to be around with my poor grammar. That's it, guys. Nothing more I can say about that. If I missed anything, slap it in the comment section down below. I'm happy to answer that for you. Appreciate all the thumbs up, guys. You guys keep this channel alive. Subscribe. Please subscribe to the channel down below. We love that, guys. You keep us going. These videos come out multiple times a week. If there's something you'd like me to talk about, I'm happy to do that. Put it in the comment section. We'll put a video together for you, and maybe it'll help you out. Maybe it won't. That's it, guys. CraigHowtopest.com. Have a great day.